So we're discussing Scrum basics now. Let us first understand, is Scrum the best fit solution for all problems? Does it really have to be Scrum always, or sometimes other solutions may be a better fit? Let us understand. To do this, I'm going to help you categorize problems in two dimensions. First is what or the requirements. Second is how or the technology. The plus sign is showing that you are clear about it, you are positive, you know. The minus sign or the negative side shows lack of it. The way to analyze the problems this way to see Scrum fitment is based on the Ralph-Stacey matrix. You may want to read more about it. But for us to understand, let us take an example. Been a lockdown for a long time now. Can we all go for a car ride? Yes. Monsoon is starting, right? Let us go to Lonavala. I think we all are going with our families. Car is fully packed. Even we are packed everywhere, luggage. Everybody is happy. Windows are down. We are singing, dancing and enjoying. And now what? Flat tire. You have a flat tire. What should you do? What could you do? Somebody?
Change the tire.
Change the tire. And how would you do that, Ayub? Could you give us a quick summary?
Sure. First, loosen the bolts.
Okay, the opposite ones.
Yes. Put the jack up.
Put it on the jack.
Loosen the screws.
Okay.
Pull out the flat tire. Put it in the new tire. Tighten the screws. Pull out the jack. That's it.
Wrap up. Wrap up. And ready for the trip again.
Yes.
If you have to change any tire anywhere in the world, the process doesn't change. This is called a simple problem. The problem is simple because we know what has to be done. We are in this area. We know how it has to be solved. There is a clean checklist. So we actually may not need all the overhead of inspect and adapt. So Scrum may not be the best fit solution here. Waterfall can do pretty well. You simply have to execute. If we have to think of our work life, I'm thinking of an event, go 20 years back. This is the event which put India on the IT map of the world. What could be that event?
Y2K.
Y2K. What happened then? What was the issue?
Numbers issue.
Date issue.
The date year was in 2 digits. Then we used to use 2-digit year, and as 2000 approached, we realized that we have to use 4-digit year. So
there was no way in the world a 2-digit 99 can suddenly become smaller than 00, which would have been 2000. Only solution was change the 2-byte part with the 4-byte one. You know, friends, for 2 years in their life, what people have done? There was this analysis team. They come in the morning, start reading the code, mark all the places where date is there. Give it to your development team. What does development team do? Change it to 4-byte, change it to 4-byte, change it to 4-byte. They did it for 2 years. Hand it over to the testing team. What do they do? Test it, test it, test it. But what happened at the end of it, do you know? India was on the map. We knew the code inside out. So friends, simple is not small. Simple is something to which you know the solution. So for such a problem, you actually do not really need Scrum as the only solution. Waterfall fits here. Now, but let us come back to our car. You know, we have put everything, we have put our jack, everything in the dicky, ready to, you know, everybody has a water break, ready to start, going back. Again, the singing, dancing starts. Now, this time, smoke comes from your bonnet. What to do? What can be done now, Jen? Open the bonnet and do what? Stare at it. Watch the smoke probably. And then after that, what will you do?
Call the mechanic.
Call the mechanic, get the expert in. And once that expert is in, what will he do?
He will do his work.
So he will come. He will probably look. Even before your work, he will do one more thing. Sir, 5,000 rupees. And there is nothing you can do. You have to say, yes, sir. So all that yes, sir business has been done. Now he can open the bonnet and look at the car. And he say, okay, water is less, the wire is removed. Hey Chandu, hey Mandu, come here. Change the wire, add water. Now the Chandus and Mandus of the world will do it accordingly. They know the problem, they know the solution. So what did we do? We took a complicated problem, expert came, shifted it back into smaller, simpler problems, and again waterfall works. So in these problems, we have slightly more uncertainty in terms of what? There is slightly more confusion. There is slightly more confusion in terms of how. But still, we can still break down the problem and bring it into this domain. Simple. So these are called complicated problems. So do you actually need Scrum for this? Because you are bringing it down here, waterfall works. You are building a bridge. You have different people. There is somebody who is specialized into the strength management. There is somebody who specializes into procurement. Somebody who manages into the scheduling. Different people. Each does their job. Problem is brought back into simple, and we solve it. But let us go back to our car now. Now the problems are over, no smoke, we have had a nice sandwich in between, full tummy. Let's move on. A deer comes in front of your car. What will be the first thing to do, Anjali? Screech, brake, halt. Then you think what has to be done. At that point, you are not going to think, should I do this? Should I brake? Only gray hair works. No framework, no methodology works here as is. Only experience work. This kind of work is called chaos. Your production support fits here. Database is down. What do? You actually wouldn't have time to think, should I bring the database? Why would it have gone down? What will you do? Bring it up fast. Once it is up, you can see what was the issue, what can be done. So again, what are you doing? You are trying to bring it down into the lower domain, and then you can see what has to be done. Scrum may not be the best fit here also. Here only experience works. But there is this lot of space here. Let us see what happens in that space. Everything. The deer went, you took 2 breaths, decided that you might have been going a little too fast, slowed down a bit. Now you are entering the Ghat Rasta. Rain starts. It's already evening because we started and then had one issue after the other. It's raining. You really can't see immediately. What will you do?
Start the wiper.
Start the wiper. If that doesn't work, what can we do?
Put on the lights.
Put on the headlights. Or maybe at
Fog lamps.
if you have, switch on the fog lamp, see if you can put some soap on the glass. So there will be chance for you to inspect and adapt. See if your solution is working. Are you on the correct? If nothing works, you will pull over, see if there is a hotel around and stay. But you have space here, some, to inspect and adapt. This is actually the best fit for your Scrum. So here, it is not that everything is great, like chaos. In chaotic environment, you did not know what was to be done, you did not know how it has to be done. But this is slightly lower domain than that. There is some clarity, not much, but there is some clarity. This is the kind of domain where your inspection and adaptation is going to yield you maximum result. Scrum is the best fit here. These are called complex problems. And this is where you should use your Scrum. What has happened is most of the work that we are getting in our world today fits somewhere here. Be it making your website, doing your databases, there will be something known, something unknown. And that is where the Scrum fits. So now do you understand? Is Scrum the best fit every time?
No.
So can we say that Scrum fits in where we know possible solutions, but we need to know the right method?
It fits in where you know something about the requirement and possibly have some idea about the technology, but may not know everything clearly to the last field. You have some idea that this kind of a solution might work, but you don't have complete clarity, or your requirements are evolving. Imagine you're building an app for a bank. Your target is young generation. What will you do? Put that app out, see how it works. Then, oh no, instead of young people, 60-year aunties only are using. Let me change. Let me make it more colorful. So you'll change. So your requirements will evolve. So in this kind of situations, Scrum fits this. Does that answer your question, Vinya?
Thank you.
Clear on when we should be using Scrum? So this is the Ralph Stassi matrix. If you Google it, you can read a lot more about on it.